by the front doors?
Yep, right up by the front.
Okie dokie.
Rolling in deep. Gonna go pick up an axle, boys. Let's get in here and pick up these parts.
Customer order.
Yep, you gotta pull up.
Customer parking.
You're gonna want to park in one of these spaces right here.
Oh fuck, oh fuck. I was starting to line up for a customer.
Yep, I feel it. It don't gotta be perfect, just don't take out the sign.
What about this?
What's going on, guys? We're here for another exciting episode of Morrison's Madness. Today we're going to be working on this old turd, the B5 Passat. It's a 20-year-old hunk of crap, and I'm not looking forward to the job we're doing today. Today we're doing a passenger front side CV axle, as this is a front wheel drive model. It has a 1.8 turbo. I have some other videos on it on this channel here. Go ahead and check them out. I think you really enjoy the content as it builds up. You're going to see some very haggard stuff being done. We're just going to let one of those in there real quick. This is my friend Craig. Craig, I appreciate your help today. Thank you. We're going to take a trip to Walmart.
Oh, it's going to be
We're going to go and pick up some PB Blaster, some Permatex, and probably some household items because I'm a dad and a husband and, well, duty's call. So let's get to the next. Let's get it done. And this thing's a piece of shit.
He said duty. Yesterday I headed over to meet up with my dad and catch a couple drinks.
Yeah.
And a dude in like the identical truck to mine, but in all white. And same like stack coming out of the back. Everything was almost the same. He had a little bit higher of a lift, but smaller tires, and I had bigger tires and a smaller lift. And we sat like nose to nose like that at this light. And he pulls up next to me. And I look over. Hell yeah! And he's like, hell yeah, dude!
That's what's up. You see, that's the thing is, like, when I used to drive my Volkswagen around, it's funny is I never noticed other Volkswagen Passats. I never noticed a whole lot of Volkswagen drivers on the road. But, like, I'll see a couple modded ones from time to time when I'm out driving.
Oh, yeah.
And usually I get a nice little beep and a wave, even though all I got is some wheels as far as cosmetics go.
Right.
And they're, like, beyond ugly. They're beyond beat up. They're just terrible looking. So I do need to get new wheels. Needs a paint job and some body work too.
A little bit.
But all the cosmetics will come after the mechanical stuff is done. It needs interior trim. I want to redo my headliner. I want to put some kind of crazy like fabric on it. I thought about doing like superheroes.
Yeah.
Or some crazy, like just some kind of different. Because like everybody that has a Volkswagen does plaid. I'm not doing plaid. Even if, now, I know it sucks, but like, I'm so torn on that. Even though I stated I'm not doing plaid, I really want to do like the gray, black, and purple plaid for my headliner. But at the same time, everybody with a Volkswagen does plaid. This truck is louder than a motherfucker.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, boy.
Ossifer, I'm doing things.
Ossifer, I'm being loud.
Yeah.
Disturbing the peace.
Somebody could have just went past him at like 100 miles an hour and he wouldn't have known. He was like, what's that?
So we're heading to Walmart. We're going to be there in a few minutes, guys. We'll pick up as soon as we get there. See you then.
What's happening?
So as you can see, we're here at the local Walmart. We're going to go in here.
So,
You know, it'd probably help if I grab a cart.
okay. So, in the meantime, while we wait for him, we're going to go on a lovely adventure of discovering flannel sheet sets. Okay, this is top-notch stuff. Looking around, we have come across the perfect way to warm the garage. Now, it may seem a bit small, but it should do just the trick we're looking for here. Alright, I found the perfect solution for heating the garage. It may look a little lackluster, but this little puppy could put out some serious heat.
Yeah,
right?
bro. That'll do it for sure.
57,000 BTUs, man.
Nice. All right. These are all octane boosters, it looks like. There we are. PB Blaster. Need some of that. Clear sealant. Ultra gray. Gasket maker. A little bit of that right there. They're all want silicone RTV. I'm gonna want RTV. Use this guy right here. All right. So we went ahead and found what we needed. I'm gonna drop an octane booster in my car too, I think. Since the gas has been sitting for quite some time. So far today's been a relative success. My camera work sucks. I need like a tripod or a stabilizer of some sort.
Oh, well, we need to get one of those selfie sticks with a stabilizer on it.
Yeah, right, one of them gimbals.
Oh, yeah.
But walking over to the old Jody right now. What's up, guys? We are back. We're back at Granny's in the garage. Went ahead and picked up some PB Blaster. We got us some Gum Out Octane Booster. This stuff's recommended by Ryan Turek and a lot of other big FT drivers and drag racers. So I figured I'll give it a shot and see if it works for me. I have some old gas in here, so it would help probably to get the octane up. It would most likely be healthier for the engine. And of course, couldn't work on a car without some beer. So we need some Yingling in our lives today. Would you like to do the honors, sir?
By all means, I was just kind of analyzing here. Now, judging by the trajectory in the moon's sun, if we just grab right here, give it a happy time like that, and it gives us a happy time like that.
Yeah, and you see, this is for you guys. Thank you for being here and watching.
Drink responsibly.
Drink responsibly, drive responsibly, be safe and follow the road laws. You guys come with me, walk over to the car. So here I ordered all this stuff from ECS Tuning. Craig's opened the box for us. We got us a valve cover gasket, because that's probably seeping by now in this old car. Got us an intake manifold gasket. And then we got a nice little PCV check valve situation going on here too. But the main focus today is this lady right here. This track motive, new premium drive axle, purchased for $90 on ECS Tuning. Hopefully this is going to resolve our problem and get us back on the road and functioning. It was really sketchy to drive the car over here today.
This is actually the SU de Commander.
And don't forget, guys, $100 wine voucher with every order. Now I guess that's their selling point. Let's get that picked up out of there. The side that opens is over here.
Yoink.
So here we go. Got a brand new CV axle here. Nice big sturdy baby. New axle bolt to go in. And we got some new bolts to thread in at the transmission side. Hoping everything goes smooth today. We're hoping that we can get this all done in a timely manner. Knowing our luck, it's going to take forever and we may have to continue tomorrow. So let's see what happens and let's get started. Okay, so our next plan of attack here is to get the car jacked up and get the wheel off. See, if you're smart, what you do is you get your jack out of the corner before you park the car in front of the corner.
Oh yeah, that's looking like a good spot. That's the best jerking spot I've found. Yeah, or jacking spot. That's the best jacking spot I've found.
The best jerking spot.
Oops.
We off the ground over there? Because I still got to break it loose.
Yep.
Hold on. I got to set the tire down on the ground. Otherwise, I won't be able to break her loose.
You like the jack stance?
Alright, so looks like we had a little bit of a mishap here with the camera. It stopped recording literally just before I broke the first nut loose on the wheel. That being said, we have the wheel off. Here we are. It's a little crusty in here. But as you guys can see, the boot right here is completely off of the CV joint. The boot is torn. There's really no saving it at this point. It makes awful noises, and it is just no good. Looks like my subframe bushing down there is kind of spanked too, but that's a problem for another day. So it's not looking the greatest, but we're gonna get her fixed. You got that Allen key? Actually, I'm gonna start spraying things with PB Blaster and we'll let it sit a minute. This I shouldn't need the PB Blaster. That should come right out of there. But just in case there's a little something, just give her a shot right around there. We'll wipe the rotor off when we're done. No biggie. As for these other bolts, they're way back there. Oh no, is this... I think they sent me the wrong one, dude.
What?
They sent me the wrong shaft. Look at the
What's
ears.
wrong with your shaft?
Well, look at the ears on this back there, in the hole there. Hold on. Okay, guys. So after some very careful evaluation, we've decided. We measured the bolt pattern. They're both 1 7/8 spaced. They look different than each other, but I feel the only way to find out if it's gonna work, take the old one out and attempt to put the new one in. If it doesn't work, we'll get the right part from ECS or somewhere else. Okay, so this is where we're at right now. We are getting ready to break this bad boy loose so we can start getting the CV axle taken out. And that's about where we stand currently. Bless you.
Sorry. PTSD.
If something goes wrong, I don't want it to be on you.
Tink. Ah!
Alright.
Momentary
Yeah, I hate that when it
panic
I'm like,
on your face.
yeah, like, oh shit, did I just break that off in there?
Yeah.
Alright. So, yeah guys, she's pretty broken. If you can tell, she's shoved forward really hard in the center. So we're gonna try to get this guy out of here and get to it. Okay, so we happen to have a hammer laying handy. Actually, no, we want to get in there at the other ones first.
So for a quick recap of everything that's gone on so far, what it's looking like is we got the wrong axle. The camera died and lost a bunch of footage, so I do apologize for that. You didn't get to see the axle removal. However, we did get it out, and as you can see on this clip that we're talking over right now, the inboard is completely blown out. So we're going to get the right part in. I ordered it 10 days ago on the, I think it was 18th. And as soon as I get it in, we're going to get it put in for you guys. Stick around for a part 2. Remember to like, comment, subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we will see you in the next one.
So Craig, when your car doesn't work, you know what we do?
Tom Cruise it.
Tom Cruise it. It's fixed. Tom Cruise is on it.